Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Hyundai Santa Fe service light. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on, but the engine is not running. This allows you to access the necessary menus. Next, use the buttons on your steering wheel to navigate through the options displayed on your instrument cluster. Look for the User Settings menu, which is typically where maintenance reminders are managed. This process is straightforward and helps keep your service schedule accurate. Once you are in the User Settings menu, use the arrow buttons on your steering wheel to scroll down. You are looking for the service interval option. When you find it, press the OK or Enter button, usually located in the center of the arrow keys, to select it. This will take you to a screen showing your vehicle's current service reminder settings, including mileage and time, until the next service is due. Now that you are in the service interval menu, scroll down to find the reset option. Press OK or Enter to select it. The system will then ask you to confirm if you wish to reset the distance and time. Select Yes to complete the reset. You can also adjust the interval, perhaps setting it to 7,500 miles or 6 months, depending on your preference or manufacturer recommendations. This ensures your next service reminder is accurate. For some newer Hyundai Santa Fe models, the service light reset might be done through the central infotainment screen. You would typically go to Setup, then Vehicle, and finally Convenience Settings. From there, locate the Oil Change Reminder or Service Interval option to perform the reset. After completing the reset using either method, turn your ignition off and then back on to confirm the service light has been successfully cleared from your dashboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.